You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 7. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. The way variable's sign changes when it is multiplied by -1, its absolute value does not. Therefore, we can eliminate the 1. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add y to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 4.5. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals 7.